Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a special dish. It is called Haitian Griot. For our ingredients we have pork shoulder, white vinegar, salt, limes, epics, which you can see in a video on my channel, that Maggie cubes. We have parsley, fresh parsley. We have fresh thyme, habanero peppers, seasoning salt, and vegetable oil for frying. First, we're going to pour vinegar, salt, lime juice over our pork. We're going to mix that together. What we are doing here, we are cleaning our meat. So you want to reserve a couple of halves of your limes, and then we're going to clean the flesh of the meat with our limes. Then you want to cover the bowl and put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for an hour. Then when the hour is up, you want to rinse your meat to remove the vinegar and the salt. Once the pork is clean, you want to put it in a bowl, and then you want to add epics, your Maggie cubes, and your seasoning. Then you want to add your parsley and your thyme. Then you want to add your habanero pepper in with that. Then you want to coat that very well, and then you want to cover your meat again. So you want to put it in the refrigerator up to 2 hours, or you could keep it overnight. Then you can take your meat out. You want to remove your parsley, your thyme, and your habanero pepper from the bowl and discard it. You want to add your pork into a medium pot on the stove along with the leftover marinara from the bowl. You want to turn the heat up to high and cook the meat for about 5 minutes until it has released some of the juices. Then you want to reduce your heat to medium, and you want to cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once your pork is cooked through, you want to remove the pork from the pot and set aside in a bowl. In a larger pot, you want to heat your oil up. Then you want to start frying your pork until it is golden brown. You want to fry your pork in batches. Once you're finished frying your pork, your Haitian Griot is done. You can serve it with pickles and fried plantain. We have pickles recipe on our channel. Just check in the description. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.